Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add the song to Instagram post after posting it. So I'm heading over to my Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you upload it into your desired account. And here you have to go to your profile. So as you can see, I have posted this. So I'm tapping, there is now song added to this post. I'm tapping on the three dots on the top right of it and tap on edit. And there goes the option of add music. So tap on add music. And here you can just add any type of song you want and tap on the arrow. Select the track you like and tap on the tick mark on the top right. And as you can see, the song is added and tap on the tick mark on the top right. Now, as you can see, the song is playing on the background of this post. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.